Hey guys, how's it going? Carlos back with another video, and I'm really excited because over the next few weeks, I'm going to walk you through the Marple SDK. So what actually is an SDK? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's a software development kit, basically a toolbox, let's say, that lets you control a product, in this case, Marple, programmatically. So instead of clicking around the interface, you can just write code. This gives engineers a few big wins: automation, integration, scalability, and extensibility. So here's a picture. Your data comes in from multiple sources. It's ingested and unified in MarpleDB. Then a engineer can access it through Marple Insight and, for example, open a project, run calculations, or explore everything from an overview dashboard. But as an engineer, maybe you want to go further. Maybe you want to connect a machine learning model, or you want to plug Marple into tools that your team already used. So that's where the SDK shines. Over the next few weeks, we'll go through our documentation, as well as do live code examples in Marple, starting right here in the Marple SDK Connect section integrations. So join me, and I'll see you next week.